So sorry again. It did it again. I don't think it's gonna happen again this time. I had to make a part 3, so... we were at this. Our black and water. I'm gonna show you what... Oh man. Look at that. This is what happens when you... Oh yeah, that's real slime. Oh, it's so hard to... It gets harder and harder. And that is how you make slime. So thank you for watching my part 3 of this, and I hope you enjoy. I'm really sorry though, because I couldn't get it to like pause and then go to the next video, so. And please leave a comment or subscribe. I'm going to. That is how you make slime. Bye.